What's up guys, you're watching another video. As you guys see, we just got the GTR all washed and now we are taking it apart because today, as you guys probably see by the title and thumbnail, it's finally the day that we're gonna wrap the GTR, and we're doing it here in my garage. We got the homie Henry, if you guys remember him from my New York vlog. He's coming all the way out here from New York to wrap the GTR, bro. So he's super good. I seen his work when he went to New York and he's literally insane with the Nosatech. We are doing a Nosatech on the guard. That's the box right there. Comment down below right now, what color do you guys think we're putting on the GTR? This is a GTR wrap, and this is actually a 350Z wrap. So both materials are here. The Nosatech's for the GTR. Super freaking excited. This color should look crazy, and the GTR is gonna look insane, bro. It honestly should be done in like 2 days, so it's gonna be sick. If you guys remember like the last car we did, everything has to come apart, bro. And in order to get this mirror off, you gotta take off the whole door panel. Everything has to come off here, the tail lights, take this off, take the headlights off, and the bumper off. But yeah, this morning we washed it, we actually clay parted the car too, so now it's ready to get wrapped. If you guys wanna see what the inside of a GTR door looks like. Let's gut it. Imagine. Alright guys, look at this. The car is literally almost fully disassembled. It looks crazy, bro. I hate taking apart cars because it's so scary, but you have to do it to make the wrap look perfect. Because we want the wrap to look like paint. So the more you disassemble, the better the wrap's gonna come out. It should have destroyed. Oh, go watch the new video. Nick and Emily video. Man. I have not yet showed you guys the color, but this is the roll right here, like I said. Obviously it's in Nosatech, just like all my other brands. My red was in Nosatech. The Tiffany blue was in Nosatech on the M3. I like a Nosatech. It is very expensive as like a business-wise, at Distinct Vinyl. I always let the customer know that it's very expensive. It's a lot more expensive than other brands, and it also requires a lot more labor. This wrap takes a lot longer to install, and it's a lot harder to install. It's actually like thicker than other brands. But the good thing is the Nosatech has a super gloss finish. So it's gonna look just like paint, just like all my other wraps. This color, guys, I've had this roll, I don't even know how long, bro. I've had this roll for maybe 6 months, dude. It's been sitting here and I have not wrapped it, guys. That's how long I've been telling you guys I'm gonna wrap the GTR and all this stuff. Another reason I was waiting so long was because I did not have these tires, if you guys remember that. These tires were out of stock for months, and I did not want to wrap this color because this color is so special, bro. I did not want to wrap this color on the stock OEM wheels. They look so ugly. We're finally gonna start wrapping the car. We got the homie Henry here, like I said, from New York.
Hey, what's up, guys?
There's no way you
haven't seen the New York vlog. Go check it out.
I know. I was gonna say, there's no way you drove out here. There's no way you flew out here, bro. Let's wrap my car. Like, it's freaking crazy. It's gonna be so sick.
Shout out to Nick. He flew me out here. He's treating me right.
Unfortunately, I think the vlog's gonna be in black and white right now, so you guys can't see this color. I am gonna reveal it soon, guys, I promise, but I have to, you know, tease you guys a little bit. But we're gonna start laying the car. I'm sorry, it's gonna be at the black and white for a little bit. This color is insane. I wish you guys were able to see it. It literally looks ridiculous, bro. Okay, I gotta help. My God, bro. It's not even like wrapped yet, but now we can actually see the color on the car. This dude's wrapping Bugattis. That was his last car he's wrapped, right? The last one before this?
I did a yours, full jam for the owner of Arizona.
But you did do a Bugatti recently.
I did.
So guys, if he could do a Bugatti, I'm sure he could. The GTR is an easy task, bro. Oh yeah, that's the fun fact though. This is his first GTR. He's done crazy ass cars, but he's never done a GTR for some reason. I don't know why. Oh my God. What do you think, David?
She was fucking sick, bro. She was crazy. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna cut it out. David kind of said the color, but
I thought you were playing this after.
This video's all black and white.
Oh, it's all black and white?
Yeah. So you could tease him a little bit. How you like it? You look good?
Yeah, it's gonna look fucking crazy. Even like this will look crazy, I feel like.
I know.
You leave everything black and just the panels?
I know.
That should look fucking sick just like that.
This color is insane, bro. But yeah, guys, look, we did the fender.
It's gonna look crazy.
And the other fender too.
For sure better than Teal.
You think it's better than the Tiffany blue?
Fuck yeah, for sure.
This thing is gonna be crazy.
I think that if they drop enough likes, you'll post a story with the real color.
The faster we do the reveal.
It's like you can't really show any sneak peeks though, I feel like, because the color just says a lot. Like one panel.
For sure. Show them how clean the panels are, bro. Those corners.
Yeah, look at this. Hold on, we need to focus it. The wrap's coming out insane, bro.
So just literally mimic me.
I'm scared, guys.
You're just gonna peel from up here. You're just gonna peel down, but at an angle like that.
Yeah.
Pulling it down. Look at your corner and make sure you have enough in the corner. Yeah. Alright. Let's just keep peeling it down. A little less. Loosen up a little bit. That's good.
You want to see a vlog with Nick wrapping the whole car by himself?
I want to try to wrap my own car, I swear. I think I'm going to try
On the 350.
350 or the drift car.
If he gets enough likes on this, he'll do the 350 right after.
Or Emily's Tesla.
Maybe that. But I would not touch my GTR. I gotta leave it to the professionals because this shit has to be perfect. I think I can do it. Like, I've watched plenty of people rap, and I think I can do it.
Just FaceTime, you know.
I know your first step is like, you do that shit. Down the middle. See?
To anchor it.
They would not know that. If you guys haven't already, comment down below. What color do you think we're rapping?
Oh,
what color do you guys think it is?
Why? You think you could like...
I don't know. Like, I wonder in black and white if you can tell what it is. I doubt it, bro. There's no way, but I don't think no one's guessed it. I mean, like a handful of people. Maybe like 3 or 4 people I've seen actually guess the colors. All right, guys. Now it's day 2, 3. I don't know. It's the next day now since the last time I filmed. I've been doing a horrible job filming. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that a lot of this is in black and white. I know I'm just teasing it, but it's gonna pay off soon, I promise. The car looks insane, bro. I cannot wait to reveal it to you guys. It looks so good, bro. I cannot wait to put this car together and see it all done. Like, it's almost done. I love it, bro. This has to be the craziest wrap I have ever done, and one of the craziest wraps that I've ever seen on a GTR. I gotta go in and clean all these edges. We gotta clean them super good. And also, the last wrap that we had on it, the red wrap, it left a lot of glue residue. So like all these edges and stuff have leftover glue residues from the last wrap. And you also wanna clean everything really, really good. So that's how I'm gonna go in here and clean all this, cause look, everything has dirt underneath, and dirt cannot be under the wrap or it won't stick. Guys, look at this. The car's almost done. This whole side is done. The whole other side is done. Henry is killing it. What time is it, bro?
It's like 5 in the morning.
5 in the morning, we're still doing this. Done this like 2 days in a row already. I can't wait, dude. It already looks insane. I love like the carbon against this color. And look at the wrap, bro. It has like a little pearl. Have you noticed that? My camera won't focus, but there you go. Look at that. That is crazy, bro. It's gonna break so many legs. I'm tired. It's gonna break so many necks, bro. I'm glad too, because the black was cool. The black looks so sick, but it just doesn't get attention. I need something like the Tiffany blue again, you know? Huge shout out to Henry. Seriously, I appreciate it. He came all the way from New York.
Raps? I post a video once a month on my channel, so.
He need to post more, but he does post a lot.
So if you guys want to see a Bugatti being wrapped,
I'll link it down below, guys. I'll link it down below. He just wrapped the Bugatti, and it's insane, bro. Like I said in the beginning, if he wraps a Bugatti, I 100% trust him wrapping my GTR. Like, I'm not kidding. This is the best wrap I've ever seen. And I want you guys to come look at the car, too. When you guys see it at a car meet or anything, look up close. And I'm not lying, bro. Look up close, and you'll see his work. Like, shout out to Henry. I'm going to leave his Instagram right here. I'm going to leave that YouTube video down below. And go comment on his videos. Tell him to post more. Not once a month. I thought I was bad, but come on. You got to post more, too.
This will be posted on there for sure.
Yeah, go watch his video. He's going to show, like, a little bit of a behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes on, like, a lot of the panels that we installed.
We'll reveal it probably by the end of this week, or this weekend that's coming up, or next week. I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram. But I'm thinking of wrapping this, guys, to match the car. Throw this on the roof like we had on the M3. And I think it'll be cool ass photos. Let me stand over here so you guys don't see the color. But finally the vlog is back in color, not black and white. I'm sorry I have to tease you guys. I have to tease you guys a little bit. I can't reveal it now. I have to wait. Trust me, I want to see it complete just as bad as you guys. I cannot wait. Again, huge shout out to the homie Henry. He is killing it, and this car is coming out way better than I expected, bro. Like, it's coming out literally like paint. I'm sorry for the tease. I'm sorry for the short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the little rap segment. If you guys did, please smash the like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel, please. It means a lot to me. Don't forget, there's a new merch drop coming with this wrap reveal, so stay tuned for that. As soon as we reveal the wrap, I'm gonna drop the merch drop and reveal the merch drop as well. So I wanna take this car to like the mall or like car meets, obviously, and I just want to get everybody's reactions that we can, because this car, when I tell you guys it's crazy. Like, it's gonna stand out so much. And also, go follow the Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram right here, just FindingNick. If you guys don't follow me already, go follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated for when I'm gonna drop the reveal for the wrap. I don't have the exact date at this moment, but like I said, on Instagram, I'll let you guys know the exact date, the exact time. So go follow me right now and stay tuned.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for letting me